BODMAS rule. Why we are solving these questions with the help of BODMAS rule? See, if a question like this where multiple signs are there like plus, division, minus, so from which sign you have to break the question, that is the biggest issue in such question. So here we will discuss how we will solve such question. Okay, so first of all we will know the BODMAS rule. So this is the BODMAS rule in front of you. Here B means bracket, and bracket can be of three types. Okay, big brackets, middle bracket and small bracket. While solving the question, first of all you have to solve the values under small bracket, then middle bracket and then big bracket. Okay, I will show how you have to solve in this question. Okay, and next term comes O means off. So second operation you have to do in a question is O means off, and off means multiplication. So where it is written off, you have to simply multiply the things. Then third operation in a question you have to do, that is division. Okay, and later on M means multiplication, then A means addition, then S means subtraction. So consequently you have to do all these operations in a question depending on which sign is used in such particular question. Okay, so first of all in first question the values is 36 plus 12 divided by under bracket 8 minus 5. Okay, so first of all I have told you the first operation you will do is B. The rule itself says BODMAS. So BODMAS means first of all you have to solve the B, that is bracket. So here it is given 8 minus 5 under the bracket. So you have to first solve this term. Okay, so it will be 36 plus 12 divided by 8 minus 5 will be how much? 3. So next step would be 36 plus 12 by 3. Okay, so next step will be you have to divide. Okay, you two operations are there, one is plus, other is division. Okay, so as per your BODMAS rule, first of all you have to divide and then add. Okay, so first division then addition. So you have to divide 12 by 3. Okay, then 36 plus 12 by 3, how much time it will go? 4 time. Okay, so 4. So 36 plus 4 would be 40. Okay, so 40 is your answer. So in second question, 16 plus 8 divided by 4 minus 2 into 3. So first of all what you will break? First you will break C, plus division minus multiplication. So what is our first operation? So our first operation is division. Okay, so first we will divide. Okay, so it will be 16 plus 8 by 4 minus 2 into 3. Okay, so what it will be? It will be 16 plus 8 by 4. How many times it will go? 2 times. Okay, 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. So 2 minus 2 into 3. Okay, after that you have to see only 3 signs are there, and after division you have to multiply. Okay, so multiply in 2 into 3. Okay, so here multiplication works. So it will be 16 plus 2 minus 2 into 3, how much? 6. Okay, then we have only two terms, one is positive, another one is negative. So the first will be addition then subtraction. So we have to add. So 16 plus 2, how much? 18. 18 minus 6. So what will be your answer? Your answer will be 18 minus 6 is 12. Okay, so 12 is your answer. So our third question in this series is 8 minus big bracket 28 divided by, and then in the middle bracket 34 minus small bracket 36 minus 18 divided by 9 into 8, then all the brackets closed. Okay, my focus here only is to build your concept. Once you have enough number of concept, your conceptual clarity is good, then you can solve any such type of question. So here first of all you will break the brackets only. Okay, that is B. So there are three types of bracket, so all the three types of bracket are included in this question. Okay, so what you will do, you will write firstly 8 minus everything you have to write, and you have to go towards small bracket. So here is small bracket. Okay, all the values under small brackets are here. So 34 minus bracket, then here in this bracket also you are able to see that there are lot of signs are used. Okay, so which sign you will first break? You will first break the division. Okay, that is division only. Okay, so you are choosing which sign you have to break first. Okay, that is minus or division or multiplication. So in these signs you will first break the division. Okay, because you are under the small bracket. So 36 minus 18, so here it is division, so 18 by 9, it is multiplication, so write it is as it is. Okay, then do everything now. So 8 minus 28 division 34 minus, so what it will be here, 36 minus, so 18 divided by 9, how much, 2, multiplication 8. Okay, then again 8 minus 28 divided by, so 28 division, then curly bracket, that is middle bracket, and 34 minus, so what it will be, 36. So what you will do, so first you will do multiplication then subtraction. So 18 into 2, how much, 18, 8 into 2, sorry, 8 into 2, 16. Okay, then again 8 minus 28 division, then curly bracket 34 minus, so here the bracket will be end. Okay, so 36 minus 16, so it will be 20. Okay, okay, then 8 minus big bracket 80 28, then division, then curly bracket, so 34 minus, so here small bracket will be removed. Okay, so only one digit is there, 20, so you will write 20, then curly bracket, then big bracket. Okay, you can call it curly or medium bracket. Okay, so again 8 minus big bracket 28 division, then 34 minus 20 under the curly bracket. Okay, so you have to solve firstly bracket and then other operation will be there. Okay, so under the bracket, that is first thing, so 34 minus 20, how much it will be, so it will be only 14. Okay, so 14, then big bracket, again 8 minus, so that is the big bracket 28 divide by 14. Okay, so what it will be, it will be 8 minus, so 28 divided by 14, what it will be, it will be 2 times. Okay, so 2 again, so 8 minus 2 is equals to 6. Okay, 6 is your answer. Hope you got the answer. Okay, 6. After that we will move to the fourth question. Okay, so our fourth question here. So question says 19 minus big bracket 4 plus curly bracket 16 minus 12 minus 2 under small bracket curly bracket, then bracket closed. Okay, so first of all what you will do, you will first 19 minus, so under big bracket you will write 4 plus curly bracket 16 minus, So under small bracket 12 minus 2, how much it will be? It will be 10. Okay, this much. Again 19 minus 4 plus, so under curly bracket 16 minus this bracket will be removed. Okay, only one digit is there, so 10 curly bracket, then bracket closed. Again 19 minus bracket 4 plus, so 16 minus 10, how much? Only 6. Okay, only 6, bracket will be removed. Okay, so now 19 minus, so 4 plus 6, how much? So 4 plus 6 is equals to 10. Okay, so bracket will be removed, only this much addition is there. Okay, 10. So 19 minus 10, how much? It will be 9. So 9 is your answer. Okay, I hope you like the session, you understood each and everything. If you want more question I should discuss, you should comment, okay, in the comment section, that I will discuss more question on this topic, simplification. Okay, so I hope this was helpful to you. Thank you. One more thing, if you guys really like the session, if you really understood the concept, you should like, share and subscribe.